So let us continue the poem The People Upstairs. So this poem is written by Ogden Nash. He is the writer, poet. He was born 1902 and he lived from in this world 1971. He was a famous American poet who was known for his humorous style of writing. He had once said that he had started thinking of terms of rhyme since he was 6 years old. When the poet was 6 years old, he was started thinking in terms of rhyme since. Means he liked to make a rhyme words or rhyming poems like this. He liked to make the 4 or 3 lines poem with using rhyme. Born and brought up in New York. He was brought up in New York. He also born in New York and brought there. He moved to Maryland, where he spent the last year of his life. The Adventures of Isabel is one of the most popular poems. One of the poem name is Adventures of Isabel. It is very popular, famous. Ogden Nash is the famous poet. He is for his humorous style of writing. He spent his last years to his motherland and one of the poem name is The People Upstairs. Now I am going to read the poem. Let us read a poem that tells us about the poet's noisy neighbors. In this poem, the poet describing the noisy neighbors. Noisy neighbors. They are not considering anyone. They are not aware about their neighbor. Okay, let us read. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is a bowling alley. I have read 2 lines of this poem. The people upstairs means one of the family was living up the poet's apartment. The poet is living in apartment and above there is one of the family. The people upstairs where all are practicing ballet. Ballet means here, see in this picture, ballet dance they are doing. Their living room is a bowling alley. And their living room is bowling alley means here. See the meaning? A long narrow area for bowling. It is a place, or their living room is long, narrow, wide and long. Their living room. So they can do their practice of ballet dance. It's a dance, ballet. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. And their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Tours here. Conducted tours means here. See the meaning? Guided tours means they are guiding tours. Here is the poet want to describe when the guests came in their home. They welcome their friends or guests. All the time they are playing. All the time they are enjoying and parties. So they welcome their friends in bedroom with a conducting tours. Their radio is louder than yours. Their radio also louder than ours. Yours means here ours. Ours volume in our rooms there is radio, mob, otherwise television. So they are not aware. They are inconsiderate people. Next, they celebrate weekends all the week, and they every weekends all the week they celebrate, enjoy the parties, dancing with louder radio. Next, when they take a shower, your ceiling leak. Here is the poet is telling when the people came most of time, maybe they take shower, maybe they take bath, and your ceiling is leak. Means here poets was below this family, and it was the ceiling. Ceiling means your roof of the poet's roof is getting leak. They try to get their parties to mix. The poet is imagining here that most of time they are enjoying and sound is making so much noise disturbing to others, and so the music or noisiness getting disturbed to others. So poet is describing ceiling leak. The poet is getting disturbed of theirs noise. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guest with pogo stick, and they try to get the parties to mix. Their all are try to get the party enjoying the party with their friends, and most of time they were supplying or giving here pogo stick. It is a one type of stick used to move up and down. And when their phone at last updates, when their phone at last update means, and at last when they are enjoying and the phone their updates means they are getting less noise, at last they go to the bathroom on roller skates. It is a skating to move one place to another place with a small wheels. It's called roller skate. We can call it skating. And they move to the bathroom with roller skates. I might love the people upstairs more. And poet is telling, I love these people, those are staying upstairs. If only they live on the another floor. If they are living in another floor, I might not love them. Sorry, I might love the peoples. The poet is describing if only they live on another floor, he might be means the poet might be love the people upstairs more. Means the poet was telling and going to suggest us he loved the people those are enjoying, so he liked these peoples more. Now this poem has O. Did you get this poem? Did you understand? If anybody has doubt, you can ask me. Okay, dear kids, listen carefully this video again. You will get. Okay.